Hey YouTube, it's Hondo. Red Bull just came out with another movie. It's 5 freestyle and kayaking tricks with Dane's action. Let's watch it. Here we go. Let's watch Dane Jackson do some kayaking tricks. This is going to be great.
There's a beautiful day headed your way. Keep your head up, you'll be okay. A beautiful day waiting. They always have the greatest music on these videos. Your eyes, you'll see it's true.
You gotta be nuts to do that. I like swimming and everything, mostly floating like a giant turd, but this is crazy.
You're gonna break new ground, turn everything around. You're gonna live your life. There's a beautiful day headed your way. Keep your head up, you'll be okay. Beautiful day waiting for you. Just open your eyes.
I'm gonna have a paddle.
It's true. A beautiful day. Tick tock, don't stop. Every little thing, it'll be alright. Flip flop, just drive. Any negativity out of sight. You're gonna reach up high. You're gonna learn to fly. You're gonna live your life. You're gonna live your life. There's a beautiful day headed your way. Keep your head up, you'll be okay. Beautiful day waiting for you. Just open your eyes, you'll see it's true. A beautiful day. A beautiful day.
It's like he put himself in a washer machine.
Keep your head up, there's a beautiful day headed your way. Keep your head up, you'll be okay. Beautiful day waiting for you. Just open your eyes, you'll see it's true. A beautiful day, a beautiful day, a beautiful day.
Nice video. The guys at Red Bull, man, they are nuts. They're definitely the best of the best. I will tell you that. Alright, guys. Be sure to subscribe, like, comments. And I'm thinking I'm going to start calling all my subscribers Hondaddicts. What do you think about it? I'm going to make you all Hondaddicts. You guys are going to want to come back to the videos every time. So this has been Hondo. What are you going to do?